individuals. However, we're not going to leave them on their own. Reforest Fiji is a culmination of a great deal of planning.
The project manager of Reforest Fiji to come and present a brief on the project.
The Honourable Minister for Fisheries and Forests.
And riverine areas that are threatened. Then we have a model for on-farm woodlots.
I spent quite a bit of time traveling from Suva to Lautaka to make sure that it did not leave. And when I flew back to Nausori that day, just when the tires were touching the tarmac, thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Mbola-Navato, for that kind gesture.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Itoke Affairs, and Minister for Sugar, Rear Admiral Josiah Borega Bainimarama, who is unable to be here today, it is my pleasure to welcome you all on today's launching of the SPC EU Reforest Fiji project. The sugar industry, as well as the forestry sector, is of critical importance to the people of Fiji. And we, the government, appreciate and support that the European Union, in partnership with the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, are implementing in support of the industry. The complementary nature of the various projects supporting agriculture, micro projects, forestry, and roads development have the ability to change the lives of our people in the Sugar Belt. The benefits of Reforest Fiji are far-reaching, and we Fijians have an opportunity to change our lives by developing additional income streams, maximizing the utilization of our lands, securing our future for our children, protecting our environment, and contributing to the economy of the country. We also have a responsibility to take the lead and show the world that we too will work towards the mitigation of climate change by creating our own carbon sink. Our economy is growing, and so are the economies of our neighbors. Demand for timber in Fiji and across the Pacific will continue to increase. Our land resource and climate provide us with competitive advantage to supply these growing markets and reduce our dependence on imports. Reforest Fiji, implementing modern international best practices, shall empower Fijians to become owners and operators within this important sector. The jobs created will impact all in the Sugar Belt, and if sustainably managed, this new forest will provide for improved livelihoods for the Fijian people. These trees, however, will not maintain themselves. We, as the people of Fiji, must play our role. We need to make our lands available for this project. We shall need to learn how to maintain the trees, and we need to protect the trees from the fires that rage these hills. The government too must play our role and create an enabling environment that will encourage and support continued investment into forestry. To the project team, I, on behalf of the people of Fiji, wish you success and open the doors of the ministry to support you. To the SPC, whose impacts us all, keep up the good work. To the European Union, we appreciate the support of our people. We shall take your extended hand and will make this work together. On that note, I officially launch this project.